Hello guys. So this is the fountain of wealth at the Sunteck city. Okay, they have some timing. Okay, they have I think for 1 hour they start in the between 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, something like that. Okay. So this fountain of wealth, right? This is placed between the 5 towers of Sunteck. If you can see, there are 5 towers, Sunteck towers. Okay. So earlier this fountain of wealth was not there, they say. Okay, but as per the Chinese Feng Shui, this is considered, the floating water is considered as a prosperous. So later it was designed for the prosperity, and it worked for them, they say. It was quite lucky for them. Okay, so on the first floor you can see, right, there are eatery shops. Okay, there are shops where we can have a food and enjoy the dining facilities are there, and some general stores are there. Okay, I'll just zoom it for you guys. So if you can see, people are dining there. Okay, so that's on the first floor, ground floor, and on the level 1 I think all the shopping malls are there, and in the top floors I think all the companies, corporate offices are there. I think Oracle Corporation, Salesforce and other big environments, big companies have offices over here in Sunteck city. Earlier my office was also there. We used to have a Lamborghini showroom over here. So that time it was a quite happening place, and we used to have a busy pub over there. So it was but I think they have changed, like the offices have changed now. So I will cover later on from inside. But for now, we just enjoy the fountain of wealth for now. So there are 5 towers. Okay, most of the towers have the same facilities, like ground floor and first floor have shopping malls. You can see the Salesforce logo over there. They have a Salesforce logo over there. Okay. I think this is the same place where the Bollywood movie shooting was done for the Krish, where the hero also jumps on the top of this. In the evening they also open for going inside, and we can go there and enjoy the waterfall from inside. They have some timing for that. I think they do start music also in between sometimes. They have a timing for starting the music and allowing us to go inside to the center of that. So that is a good experience, but I think I am late a bit. Okay, I will take you downstairs. Okay, and just show you the what are the food facilities are there. I will just roam around the 5 towers and then we can head home actually. Okay, so while crossing here we have to be very careful because it's a very busy area, like and the cars come on a very high speed, so we have to be very careful while crossing it. Since we are about to, the Christmas is about to start, so we have a Christmas decoration also been put up. I think we can go up and I will try to shoot from upstairs also. Let's see. They have some restaurants over upstairs, so we can see if we can shoot from upstairs. We can see. There is some Chinese restaurants upstairs. So oh, Sky Gardens. Oh, this was not there when I was working here. So we'll see, can go inside and see what is there. This is something new to me also. So we just came up with the escalator. I think they have changed a lot now. What is this Sky Garden? I don't know. I'll try to go inside and see. I'm not sure whether it is paid or Sky Gardens. In Sunteck City, this was not there. I think this is recently opened, and it looks beautiful also. I think it looks beautiful. It wasn't there. So they have a Christmas decoration going already put on. This is November, I think, mid of November, and they have a Christmas decoration already been put up all across Singapore. Sky Garden. This area is very nice actually. We can it's a very beautiful decoration. And the flowers are artificial, but it goes well actually to the ambience. Oh, this is beautiful, huh? Let's try to see what is the other side of JW Marriott. I think two girls are there sitting, enjoying some birthday party. Oh, this is new build, yeah. This is, I think, the newly prepared, and it looks beautiful actually. It goes well. Hats off to these guys. And there comes again our Fountain of Wealth. I think they are about to stop. That's why they are putting off the lights. slow day. While vlogging, you have to be very careful with your camera, because most of the time your camera falls and it could damage, and you can face a loss actually. So many times my camera also has fallen, but I'm very lucky that nothing happened, unfortunately. So we'll go down and see what's inside the ground floor of Tower of Wealth and the Suntec City. I think all the 5 towers are actually interlinked. So there are 5 towers. I think they're underground from ground floor. They are all linked to each other. They say it's designed based on your 5 fingers, all these 5 towers. But I need to confirm that part. But that's what I heard, that the towers are actually, the concept was to design based on your 5 fingers. And later on, this fountain was not there initially, but it came up later on because they wanted to, for the prosperity purpose, I think they built it later on. So I'll just walk through inside the 5 towers and we'll see what is there inside. All the you should be very mindful when you come here with your budgeting, because you get very attracted and carried away with your shopping expense otherwise. Because I do usually, so that's why I will keep a clear-cut budget now on my shopping expenses. So and on the ground floor and in the first floor also we have some shops over there. So we'll start from here and see what all are there. This has gone silent. This area, I think, is quite silent because of the COVID. I think we don't see much people, so we'll just head towards the MRT. When I say MRT, it means train station over here. Starbucks is there for a very long time. I think 5 years back I used to work here, so it is still there. body shop is also very famous here, because I think they have a handmade shops and handmade soaps. Actually, they have. Okay. I've tried that, but it's quite on a higher side, the price, but it's really nice. This is worth the price. Levi's showroom is there. Swarovski also have. I think people prefer Swarovski a lot over here. I like this clothing, but Levi's. Pandora. I get too attracted towards the big brands. I don't know why. Somehow I feel that I'm going to be a very rich guy very soon. The Bata is there. Sephora is also there. I think again we have a Starbucks over here actually. We'll go upstairs and see. This is also a good brand, H&M. They have a clothing at a reasonable price. So these two are very cotton clothes. They have Uniqlo, and one is the second is the H&M. So they both are subsidized actually, very reasonable price shops. I think this is some newly open. I'm not sure. Maybe some grocery stores. What is this? Don Donkey. Don Donkey. I mean, Don Donkey. What is this? Milk Sha. I think this is all this was not there when I was working here. They have changed. This kind of arcade machines are there a lot of places. A lot of young people also play. Even I get attracted at times. Yeah, fossil showroom. Nike is there. Some Chinese restaurant is there. We can just have a glance later on in another blog. I will try to cover. There are some. These are. They eat here a lot. Curry puff and. Since it is a Christmas, right? We have a. I think this is the nearest MRT is Suntec City and Esplanade. Both are there. If you want to come down, you can come down at the Esplanade or the Suntec City. Both are near to it. So we have this Christmas tree just outside the Esplanade MRT. Okay. Okay, while going home I will show you. Like they have built a very underground, like so underground is a way to go to MRT, and it's very well designed, and we have a shopping malls and other there are some shopping malls for clothing and other accessories in the downstairs, so they have well utilized the downstairs underground part also. Okay. We have like in Suntec City we also have this duck tour. Okay, so basically they will I will cover this bus tour later on in some another blog. So they will take you to some 5 to 6 destinations. Okay, earlier it was called as duck tour, but I think they have renamed. In 7-Eleven we all know mostly of us, because it's 24/7 stores. Basically most of the stores are 24/7, so that's why it is called as 7-Eleven. So we'll head to the MRT. I'll just show you the shops around inside the underground, and then we'll wind up the vlog for today. Oh my god, I think the escalator is not working. There is a lift also. If earlier I would have realized, I would have taken a lift. But anyways, going down is not a big issue. Coming up, if the escalator is not working, then you might lose some weight. So if you want to, we can go from here also, and this side also we can go, and this side also we can go. So if you want to go to Esplanade, we have to go this side, and if you want to go to the Suntex City, we have to go this side, where we are going now. The Esplanade MRT. City Hall MRT, sorry, it's not the City Hall MRT. So where they are very strict about the safe distance. If you see, if you're lining up somewhere, you have to maintain the safe distance. You have to make an entry at every shopping mall. Okay, I'll try. Thank you, sir. So this is all underground, I guess. Okay, so even while going to the MRT, if you're going to the station also, you will spend something and go. This is very mindfully designed. Pakis Babena, Bibim, Pike Bibin, Magic Touch. Rafan City Magic Touch. Okay. So we are going to City Hall MRT now. So either you come down to Esplanade MRT or either you come down to City Hall MRT. think this is some fitness center, gym and fitness at the UFC. This is on the way to the MRT station. This is the help desk area. This is some Christmas decoration is there. So every year they will put up some Christmas decoration over here. And this is your famous blogger, Mr. Abdul Hafiz. He is going to be a very rich and famous personality one day. There's a 7-Eleven again. Some Christmas decoration. I think we are not allowed to do shooting in the train. I think MRT, I'm not sure. I wanted to cover, but I think it's not allowed. I'll just try and see if I can cover this 7-Eleven for you. So I'll just show you guys what all options are there. So we get some drinks like this. Okay. So mostly this we all know what is this and what is the purpose of this. So cup noodles is there, Ferrero Rocher is there, ice cream, chocolates, I think some painkillers. Okay, Magnum, Cornetto. I think two ice creams we majorly consume over here. One is the Magnum and the Cornetto ice creams we make consume. And these are some drink sections. So this is the same format for most of the 7-Eleven actually. Okay, so we have 100 plus is there, so which is used a lot over here in Singapore. Cup noodles are there. Okay. I want to do a vlog on the breakfast also. Later on I will cover here. So just to give you a brief guys, right? When you have an Indian breakfast or the English breakfast, in the English breakfast you have this kind of set like kaya butter toast and half boiled egg and tea or coffee. So on the breakfast, Indian breakfast and the English breakfast, I will try to do one vlog later on for you guys. So that's it. So okay guys, we'll wind up for today.